completely disassembled and back together. They're going to Indianapolis, Indiana to compete for the national championship. From right here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. There's $10,000 in scholarship money on the line for these young men. The winner that becomes national champion, each student gets $10,000 to go to an automotive college. We've got UNO, University of Northwestern Ohio, SAM, School of Automotive Machine, and Ohio Tech College. All of these are automotive colleges that these young men, and we have women on our other team, that will be competing for money to go towards their scholarship and their college education. Now the major manufacturers are looking for students to go to work for them in this industry. And they'll be pulling from this particular competition, the Hot Rodders Up to Bar Engine Challenge. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. Sit here and watch these young men take this engine apart. Don't forget, we have spots for ladies on the team too. We're hoping next year to be able to take an all-ladies team. That's what they're looking for at SEMA and at PRI, performance racing industry. The ladies have a big following in this industry. They have a very strong group of ladies. Some of the most powerful, influential women in the industry are making $200,000 to $300,000 a year. And it's not just working on cars. There's marketing, there's sales, there's management, just all different types of this industry, different aspects of it. You don't have to just work on cars. This is just a means to an end. I want everybody to understand that, a means to an end. You get involved in something like this, you can go to college, you can get that degree, you can get into marketing, you can get into management, you can get into sales. We've got one girl that was on this team. She was salutatorian, but she was second in her class. She's going to be a lawyer, but she competed with us for 4 years in a row, been to 3 national championships. She decided she was going to Winston-Salem over North Carolina to go to college. But she'll be able to use the experience that she had here with the teamwork and the perseverance, overcoming all different types of obstacles to be able to fulfill her career goals. So they just took the specs, they want to change them up, so we want to on our equipment. Same thing, same concept, making sure that do it. 4 minutes. Come on, let's rock and roll. 24, need a head on. Easy breezy, cover girl greasy. Let's make it happen. Right, heads on right. They're going to be checking those bolts. Make sure you screw them on. You got to start and release the thread. You got to start and release the thread. They're going to reach over. They're going to check that head bolt. Good. Thank you. He's going to hold that crank ball. He's putting the oil pump up, starting that nut. One shot, one kick. Good. Y'all got any questions, guys?